My name is Ioanna Saxoni. I'm a researcher and advisor here at Deltares. We are at the Atlantic Basin. This is one of our facilities in the hydro hall at Delft. Here we are testing stability of these artificial engineered reef units, or ERUs as we call them in this project, where we look at their stability under hydrodynamic forcing to validate whether they can function not as add-on elements, which has been typically done in the past, but as integrated protections which could potentially replace some layer of armor stone, which is typically used in scar protections. In this project we have divided the work in 4 work packages. The testing that we're doing here falls under work package 2, which looks into the stability under hydrodynamic forcing. But in the other work packages, we're also looking into installation within the techniques and equipment that is currently available on the market. So what is the feasibility and what are the limits of this when it comes to installation of engineered reef units. Also looking at life cycle assessment and carbon emissions, carbon footprint of the entire process from manufacturing to installation to decommissioning of these elements, and also ecological performance. What we hope to learn and help advance with this project is give some kind of design recommendations, so kind of start design with engineered reef units, because everything we have so far is mostly based on rock, and also see how it compares to conventional rock, and see in which areas they might have a certain advantage or perform as well, maybe even better, and look at the limits of applicability, installation, and so on. In this project, we are 12 partners, including ourselves, Wageningen Marine Research and Inspire Environmental, a Ventera group working work package 4, which is focusing on the ecological aspects of the protections. We have as partners 5 innovators which bring solutions and technologies for this engineered reef units. So REEFI, BAM and Holcim are bringing units that we actually tested in these facilities, and also Costruction and GeoWall are involved, bringing forward new technologies to manufacture them, create them. We also have as partners 1 contractor, that is Boscales, focusing more practical installation aspects, as well as 3 developers, RWE, Vattenfall and TenneT, which bring forward all the practical considerations or questions of interest from that side. Having all these partners across the industry in the project gives us the ability to tackle the key questions, focus on or look at different perspectives, and incorporate all that in our research.